Hello everyone, this is Better Graphic once again on your screen. A big shout out and warm appreciation to all my viewers and subscribers for always taking out your time to watch each and every video uploaded to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to blend two ways you can actually blend your image professionally to your background. You know how we normally do it. Let's head straight to our Pixellab. Okay, now when you go to your Pixellab, this is the first interface you'd come across, the canvas size and the Pixellab tool. Okay, now the first thing we'll do is that since you are not replicating any flyer, there's no need for us to change the canvas size. So we'll just head straight to the business of the day. Just change the color of the canvas space. Let's change to white. Now since you are blending an image to the background, so let's import the first image. We are blending. Okay, the first image. Like I said, I'll be showing two professional methods or ways you can blend your image to your background to make it look professional and more standard. Okay, now if you look at this image, it has sharp edge, and leaving your work this way or leaving an image on a flyer this way makes you look unprofessional and unethical in respect to graphic design. So I'll be showing you how you can blend it professionally to your background. Okay, now this is the image. The image should be positioned at the center or in the middle. Okay, now you come to this side, come to shape, then you scroll up, you see radius, opacity, then you come to gradient. Then select the default gradient color, either this or this. Okay, let's make use of this, the first one. Then you click the plus icon, click here, then you click this side. Now this slider, you slide it to the left completely to the extreme end of the slider. Then you press your check mark, press OK, then you click OK, then you turn it like this. Come here, drag it, expand it. Then we are making a particular color. Let's make use of white. Pick your white color, you can see. Then you copy this layer as many times as you want till everything is covered. Copy, copy, copy. You can see the edge is getting covered gradually. So you copy as many times as you can till everything is covered and the edge is no longer visible. Now if you look at this, the image has been blended to the background professionally. Now okay, let me show you that second way. Let me show you, let's change the background. Assuming we delete all the shadow created. Okay, let's change the background. Okay, let's give it, okay, let's say a black background or a blue background. Apply the same method. You still come here, come to gradient again, choose and pick any gradient color, then come to the plus icon, click here, slide it to the left, extreme left. You're okay, click here again, okay, sorry, okay, and check mark. You turn it this way, expand it. You can see now you look for a color that blends with the image to the background, a color that is complementary but contrasting. Then okay, you come to color, let's make use of white. Can you see this? Then copy. You can make use of any color of your choice. Copy, you can see this, copy and copy. Now can you see this? Can you see this? Or possibly want to change it to white. Want to change the background to white. Can see it rhymes with any background. You can still copy to cover it appropriately cut it. Can you see this? Can you see this? Possibly you can still change the background to this. You can see it's still covered. To this is still covered. To this is still covered. To this, to this, to this, and to this. Okay, you can just save as project. Sorry, I just save as project and save as image or gallery. Then you can actually make use of another image. Okay, let's delete this. Let's exit. Okay, let's change the background color to white. Let's import another image. Okay, let's make use of this. Okay, expand it, then center line it. Okay, let's change the background. Let's make use of red, or can we make use of black? Okay, then come this way, shape, then come to gradient, place shape, then after radius opacity, then the next is color and gradient. Then you click the gradient section, you pick the first gradient default color, come to the plus icon, click here, tap here, slide it to the left and click your check mark. Click OK. Press it. And come here. It depends on the color you want to make use of. It's based on preference. Then okay, let's make use of red. Okay. Red and black. Okay. Cover it. Then you copy again. You cover this. Copy again. You cover it. Copy again. Can you see this? So depending on the degree at which you want the image to be covered. So you can actually, okay, let's delete it again. Let's delete the shadows created. Okay, let's assume we are making use of, let's assume the background is red. Let's pick more, make it, okay. Let's come, create a shape, gradient. Come here again, the same process, same step. Okay, click your check mark. Come here, expand it, reduce it, then go to color. You can see, copy, copy, copy till your desired part is covered professionally. Now can you see this? This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. I can just save as image. Okay, let me show you the second method. Okay, let's still maintain this image. This second method. You can just come here, shape, radius 100%, opacity, you slide it at 0%, stroke width, increase everything, then you cover it. Then you cover it. Come here to blur radius, increase everything, click your check mark. Move to color, activate it, pick that exact same color, expand it. Can you see this? Oh my god, can you see this? Then copy it as many times as possible till everything is covered. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is mind blowing. Can you see this? Can you see this? Okay, let's work with another image. Let's delete this. Okay, let's change the background color. Okay, let's change it to white. Okay, Please, you can make use of any color of your choice, any background color of your choice, any color of an image, any color of shadow. It still gives you the exact result. Now come here, come to shape, radius 100%, opacity 0%, stroke width to the highest, then you cover it. Then come to blur radius, increase it to the highest. Click your check mark. Then come to color. Then let's pick white. You can see it will still cover it. Then copy. So you're copying, you are expanding it to cover the areas you want to get covered. Still covering the areas you want it to get covered. Can you see this? You can see the image has been blended to the background professionally. Can you see this? Please, if you are finding value in this class, do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel to get more quality content once they're uploaded. Okay, let's delete this also. Let's delete it. Okay, let me delete this. Let me import another image. Let me make use of Uchi Montana. Okay, expand it. Okay, let's change the background color of dark green. Okay, make sure that the image is positioned at the center. Now come here. Okay, let's try the first method also to refresh our brain. Come to gradient. Click the first one. Come here. Click on this point. On this downward arrow. Click here. Slide it to the left. Click your check mark. Click here. Then expand it. Go to color. Activate it. Then pick the deep green color. Then click your check mark. Then you just copy it as many times as possible till the sharp edge is covered completely and thoroughly. Can see this? Can you see this? This is awesome. This is awesome. Can you see it? Can you see this? Can see the sharp edge is covered completely. So you can try this at your leisure time. Can just save it as well also. Okay, now let's try the second method I used. Okay, still retaining the same image. Okay, come here, come to shape, radius 100%, opacity 0%, stroke width 40% to the highest, then you close it. Make sure that the internal hole is not visible. Okay, come to blur radius, increase it, then you click your check mark. You are making use of that same color, the green color. Please make use of complementary yet contrasting colors. Okay. Can you see this? Cover it. Copy. Can you see this? Oh my god, can you see this? Cover it, and cover it. Okay. Now I just showed you two professional methods through which you can actually blend any image to the background professionally. So from the beginning till the end of this video, if you find this video helpful, insightful, and knowledgeable, do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as you get more quality content related to graphic design. I will see you in my next video. Bye, and do well to stay productive and creative.